These are some of the reasons for the Battle of Uhud, as the Quraysh lost many of their family members, their important leaders during the Battle of Badr, and they wanted to take revenge from the Holy Prophet and his companions. The Muslim army was 700 in number, and they were encamped on the mountain of Uhud. The Holy Prophet instructed them clearly not to leave their positions under any circumstances, to protect the mountain Uhud and to defend Muslims from any possible attack. The Quraysh attacked. The Muslims fought bravely and they killed many of the Quraysh members. At this point, the Quraysh started to leave. They started to run. The Muslims thought that they were winning the battle and immediately left the mountain of Uhud. Now the pass was left unguarded. Khalid bin Walid, head of enemy, he attacked the Muslims. The Muslims panicked, and at this time a rumor spread that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, was killed. Now all of the Muslims were disheartened and lost hope. Over here there was a situation that both parties were extremely exhausted, and soon the fighting ended, and the Quraysh challenged the Muslims and the Holy Prophet to have a war next year. This is the result of the Battle of Uhud. You can see how many Muslims were martyred and how many Quraysh people were killed over here. An important person who was the uncle of the Holy Prophet, Hazrat Hamza, was killed in this battle. Over here some of the points are written about the importance of the battle, that how Muslims learned from their mistakes, and it showed the leadership qualities of the Holy Prophet, and the Muslims came to know about the importance of the strategic planning on the battlefield and to listen about the instructions of the Holy Prophet carefully. There are some of the other lessons that the Muslim learned, that they should not expect to win every battle. They should obey Allah's command and their Prophet commands. They should not be greedy, and so on. You can read the points over here. There was a tribe that was living in Medina at that time, and they plotted to murder the Holy Prophet. When we came to know about the news, the Holy Prophet ordered them to leave Medina within 10 days. Now this is some of the work that needs to be done. The instructions are given to you people, and you will be reading the chapters first, and then there are different worksheets related to it. Now after reading the instructions first, you have to read the chapter. After that you have to solve these worksheets that are related to the chapter, and kindly then submit your work on the Google Classrooms that have been made for you people, so that I can give you the grades and I can check the work. Here is an example of the work that I have checked and given grade of. Now this is how you have to complete your work. You can do either on copies or on worksheets. It's up to you, and then upload it on the Google Classroom. Thank you.